Yeah, finished unloading, show me clear. Yeah, finished unloading, show clear.
Isaac, how'd you do on that one, man?
I did pretty good on that thing.
Yeah, tell me about it.
18 seconds and 2 down.
Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
How'd you do?
What's that?
How'd you do?
I was 16 seconds and 4 down. So our scores might be the same or really, really close.
You were faster by half, like,
By half a
like
second?
2.
Close though.
Yeah.
All right, good stuff, good stuff. So this is your first match with the new gun, with the Canik.
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
I like
In one
it.
stage, you like it?
Cold.
What's that?
Cold.
Yeah. Cool, good stuff. Do you notice any immediate differences between your old Glock and the new Canik?
Oh, not right now.
What's that? Oh,
Not right now.
not right now, not yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
'Cause I'm too cold.
You're too cold?
Yeah.
All right. We'll be able to figure that out a little bit later maybe, right? All right, good stuff, man.
You're finished, unload.
If you're finished unload, show clear.
All right, Isaac, what'd you think of that last stage?
That stage was pretty good. I had 3 down because all 3 of my shots on one target
Yeah, headshot.
were all very close to the 0.
Super close, dude. That's all right.
How'd you do?
I did good. I was 19 seconds and 1 down, so yeah, I slowed down a little bit on the first part because you need an exact round count in order to hit that moving target without any makeup. So if I would have missed a steal, or if you missed a steal, then you'd be better off doing like a tack reload. Or miss the steal, get the static, and then tack reload. But luckily, neither of us had to do that. So good job, man. Good job. All right, next stage.
If you are finished unloading, show clear. If finished unloading,
Oh! All right, Isaac, tell me about that stage.
GG. That stage was pretty good.
Yeah, why was it pretty
I
good?
had 15, 61, and 1 down.
1 down.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
awesome, dude. That's awesome.
I got scared because when I was shooting that target over there,
Yeah.
I was walking too fast and I thought I almost broke 180.
Yeah. I think you were good. I was 1485,
Yeah.
but one of my last shots was a 3 down on that one shot.
Yeah.
One shot was a 3, and I was gonna make it up. I saw it, I was gonna make it up, but I was out of bullets.
Yeah.
Because I did a makeup shot on one of the targets in the middle, but it was a 0 already, so I made up a 0 with the 0, and I didn't have a makeup for when I actually needed it. Man! So you beat me by like a second.
Yeah.
Good job, dude. Awesome.
If you are finished, unload, show.
If finished, unload, show clear.
All right, Isaac, what'd you think of that last stage?
That last stage was pretty good. I had 18 something with 3 down, so it was pretty good.
Yeah?
How did you do?
I did pretty good. I was 18 something and then 1 down. So I think the second shooting position, I was taking a little bit of time for some reason. I don't know what was going on. I like forgot where the wall was on my trigger or something like that.
Yeah.
So, but other than that, it was pretty good. So nice job, man.
Thank you.
All right, we got what, 2 stages left?
Yeah.
All right, almost done.
If you are finished, unload and show clear. If you are finished, unload and show clear.
All right, Isaac, what'd you think of that last stage, man?
That last stage was pretty good.
It was pretty good. How'd you do? Tell me about
I
it.
had 16, 17, and then 2 down on the up down.
On the up down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had 16 something as well.
Oh, wait.
Also 2 down, 1608.
Yeah.
Man, that's so close. Good job, man. All right, we got 1 more stage left, right?
Uh-huh.
Almost done. And then IDPA ice cream.
Alright, it finished. Unload, show clear. It finished. Unload, show clear.
All right, Isaac, what'd you think of that last stage?
That last stage was pretty good. I had 19 something with 5 down.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So I was like almost 18. I think I was 2 down. But yeah, it was a pretty cool stage. I like there was a lot of running on that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, good job, man.
Good job.
Isaac, what'd you think about that match today, man, overall?
That match today was pretty good. I got 12 out of 57 in carry optics,
Yeah.
so it was really good.
Is that your?
How'd you do?
Is that like your
Yes.
best finish ever at Mission 160?
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude. Good job.
How did you do?
Let me see here. I think it was what, 5th in carry optics?
Yes.
Yeah, 5th in carry optics overall. So I guess that would be 4th in master, right? Because Kevin obviously won the whole thing again.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So overall, I was 85% of Kevin, the winner. Isaac, you were 79%.
Nice.
That's good. That's real good, man. Hey, nice job.
Thank you.
All right. So now the big question. Today was your first match with the Canik. So what were your overall thoughts on the Canik versus your old Glock?
I liked it a lot more. The trigger felt better.
Yeah. Yeah, that Canik trigger is definitely something else, huh? And I think it really showed too in your accuracy today. You were like way more accurate than you were with the Glock, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man. So you like it? It's good? All right, awesome. And this is your first match with it, so remember that the more you get used to it, you're gonna be able to shoot better with it and even faster, right? So, all right, looking forward to it, man. Hey, good job. All right.